Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database offering from AWS. So we are going to see how to create DynamoDB table, how to insert records, how to delete records and delete table. These are the basic operations we can do on DynamoDB table. Okay, let's get started. Log into AWS Management Console and search for DynamoDB. Right, you get the service, click on it. Yeah, so this is a home page for DynamoDB. Click on create table because we don't have any table created as of now. Right, so table name, just give some name, like I'm going ahead with music, and then primary key or partition key, it will be artist, and you can also want to add sort key as well. So here I'll just choose song name or song title. Yeah, here now you can click on create and it will create a table, but just we want to explore a little more, so unclick that use default setting and we can now see what are the possible settings for DynamoDB table. Okay, so first one is how to choose capacity mode. So it can be provision, which is part of free tier, and on demand. On demand, when you select, you will not able to specify read write capacity because it will be on demand obviously. So just go ahead with provision, and these are the default values, so you can keep it what it is showing, or like 5 or you can even choose that, but I just want to be in free tier. I'm not going to change anything. So this auto scaling creates this role, I'm just highlighting that, and you can go into IAM and see the role for yourself, what are the permissions given there, right? So encryption is default, and this go ahead and create table, right? So table is being created, it will take few moments, that's it. Like very shortly we should see the table. Okay, there we are, right? So you can see the table is created. Now this is the overview page, will show you what are the settings we have selected ourselves. So we already gone through that, right? So now there is nothing in the table is empty, so we want to add records there. So create item, artist, just put some name, I'll just call it good boy, that is the artist name, and I'll love you, that is a song title. Just an example for us to see how insert happening here. Okay, so you can see that one record is created, that easy it is from management console. So we'll just add one more record, right? Bad boy and then I hate you. Okay, so this is just an example, right? So you can see 2 records are created, and that is how we can add or insert record into DynamoDB table when it is through management console. Okay, so now another operation which we want to do is selecting from the table, right? So I'll show you in real quick how to select from the table. There are 2 modes which can be used for selecting from the table. One is query mode and the second one is scan mode. The difference between those is, in query mode you put attributes or where clause to select your data. So you will specify what data you need and only that data will be scanned, right? And in scan mode, complete table will be scanned, and out of that you can choose part of the data using filter. So in case of query you have attributes, and in case of scan you have filters, but you can see the difference. Query mode will be cheaper when it comes to read capacity, and scan mode vice versa, it will be costlier, right? So you can choose what mode of selection you want, and depends on your use case, but in general query mode is efficient and effective and less costly. Let's see how to use both of this mode, right? So first choose query. As I explained, like you have attribute to be specified. Here it is artist, so I'll just put bad boy, and we have only one record. Let's see whether we select that. Okay, so it's a one record, selection, right? Based on whatever attributes you have given, right? That is the query mode for you. So let's see another mode, which is scan, right? So I'll just select scan, and here as you can see you have option to add filter. Let's get the complete data for now, and now you have option to add filter, right? So I'll add filter, which is again a where clause or attribute, but it is called filter, right? And I'll give good boy and start search. So you can see that there is a filter available, and we can do the almost similar thing, but the amount of data we access will differ significantly. Okay, now let's see how to delete record from table. We have seen how to select, we have seen how to insert, but the next is how to delete from this table. Okay, so just select the record. First let's see complete table data first. Let's just remove the filter what we have added earlier. I'll just remove the filter and start search to show us complete table data. Okay, so choose one record, go into action and click delete, right? So it's just asking confirmation, click delete, right? And that's how data is deleted. So we do not see the record which was there before, right? So we can see like how data get deleted from management console. Okay, so next we'll just clean up this lab or environment for us, right? And it should be just deleting the table, because we just created a table for this demo. So I'm just going to click on delete, and it asks for a confirmation, and it says like CloudWatch alarms will be deleted. So I just want to show, before I go there, right, I just want to show you what are the metrics and what alarm it is talking about. So just go into metric tab, and you can see the metrics are getting collected as we use this table, and that will be in the console itself. And if you want complete metric information, you can even go to CloudWatch. So these are all the metrics you can easily see in the console. This time to live metric, we might in the future go through this particular feature. It is very interesting. And this is the alarm. So we can create alarm based on the usage pattern and all that, but that is what it is showing when you are deleting, right? It is just showing you an option that you can delete all the alarms as part of the deletion. So yeah, so just that's what I want to show, that where alarm will be created. Okay, so just select the table and click on delete table, right? So here, as I mentioned, it gives an option that delete all CloudWatch alarms for this table, and that we don't have any, but let's select that option. And do you want to create backup? We don't, but if you want, you can select that. Just put delete, which is a mandatory step, and then click on delete. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you learned something new and you liked what you saw. If that is the case, please don't hesitate to express yourself through likes and comments, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Okay, take care, keep learning, and we'll meet you in the next video with some new learning related to AWS. Thanks for watching.